Auto Affiliate AI is the only automated affiliate system that generates $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions without sales funnels, email marketing, or advertising. I've taken all the guesswork out of affiliate marketing by taking the fastest, most beginner-friendly commission strategy and trained a ChatGPT system to implement the whole thing automatically. Auto Affiliate AI generates fast commissions in 3 automated steps. First, this AI uses my trending product formula to find the hottest selling product that week and grabs an affiliate referral link for you. Next, the system generates click magnets for the offer based on the product's sales page. These are images, videos, GIFs, and short posts that are designed to capture attention and get people clicking on your affiliate link. And finally, the Auto Affiliate AI puts these click magnets in front of buyers by auto-posting them on forums, private niche groups, social media, Reddit, Pinterest, and ranking them in Google. You earn a commission every time one of these buyers clicks on your link, then buys a product. You get paid even if the buyer makes their purchase months after clicking on your link. Now, normally, this beginner-friendly strategy would take hours of manual work each day creating and posting content,